King Edward River. This is the Mitchell Falls Road, which comes off the Munurru Road. One of the local fish birds, an egret. Munurru Falls on the King Edward River. There's a camping area just south of here, and this is on the northern side of the Mitchell Falls Road. There's lots of sandstone formations around here, and there's also a lot of art on the walls of those sandstone formations, like a regular art gallery. A nice little spot to cool off. There's like a dog around here. Munurru Falls. Nice place to cool off. There's a bit of a close-up. You can get and come around here and see plenty of views. From any angle you like. Just around every corner up here is a beautiful sight like this.